Shihab from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, my problem is 2 years ago I started, I wanted to pray Salah consistent, but I prayed and I left it. It was not consistent. And 2 months ago I became consistent. Now that I remember that many of my Salah were Qaza or due, became due because of sleep reasons. I did not pray those because those piled up over time. Now I do not know the exact number of Qaza Salah. What do I do now?
You should not do anything other than to repent to Allah, ask Him for forgiveness, feel deep remorse, and continue to be consistent with your fard salat. What is gone is gone. You cannot make qada for that, because that salat was timed at a specific time and you did not honor this. If you overslept, the only way to make it up is to pray it as soon as you wake up. If you didn't, it's gone. Nothing can compensate for it. So move on and forget the past while being remorseful.